We can't stay here. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Next day, had a great time at my shipmate Rodney's house. We had a good time watching football this morning.
For the American League, or 𝐁𝐨𝐰 𝐁𝐨𝐰 will be for the National League.
Oh, that's right. I forgot they don't do the whole. Oh, that's a wrap up. Yeah, definitely. No pee-pee on the floor. Go in Rodney's bedroom.
I'm getting ready to jump on the 405 North, head to Morro Bay, about 4 hours away, boys and girls. So let's get on the highway. Let's get this thing rolling. Oh boy, you can always tell when you're in LA or even near it.
405 North.
Oh yeah, lovely, lovely, lovely. I don't even want to show you that, but all right, let's get on the 405. Let's figure out what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take my time, no rush. Got to be there till Tuesday morning, actually. So this next stop, we'll get something to eat, and then hopefully there's a Walmart, something around there where I can go shopping and pick up some goodies for the refrigerator. Got the bike back there. Ship is all squared away, getting ready to get underway. All the portals are closed, and now here we go. 405. Carpinteria, California. I'm gonna get off here at Los Pasos Road, exit 55. Gotta stop at Walmart, right, guys? So that's what we're gonna do. Stock up a little bit, not too much. He's napping right now, as you can see. Okay, we just left Walmart and decided that I'm just gonna leave them $150. And they're going to give me some fruit and vegetables and some meat, so they can take the $160 and pay their employees with it, because they're in California, so the employees are like making more money than you're making. We're going to jump back on the 101 North, and we decided, me and the stinky boy Santiago from Chile, we decided to stay at Carpinteria tonight, the state park. It's only about 30 minutes away. It's getting dark, and we do not like to drive at night. But I got a couple of comments about where I've been and what I've been doing, but trying to keep you guys abreast. This is what I'm doing. And where I've been was about
in a quarter mile, merge onto US 101 North.
That way. But try to get out some videos earlier, but there really wasn't much content to give out at the time. I had the warning in the shop, not for breaking down. It's check up, oil change, all that good stuff. Just before I got on the road, I wanted to make sure everything was okay, and that's what's important. Make sure that your rig is okay. Don't spend money on windows and solar. Solar's no good if your motorhome doesn't run. So spend your money on your maintenance, guys. Groceries all in the refrigerator. Hopefully you can hear me. I got the window open. I had the AC running for a while, but we're down at the coast. It's beautiful right now. A little overcast, but you know what? Better than the heat that just left. LA, California. Nothing to visit there anymore, guys. No reason to be in Los Angeles. Take my word for it. The Hollywood deal, the Burbank, the ritzy streets and all that, don't go. Waste your money. Not worth it anymore. I used to love to go to Hollywood, not anymore. So now I'm going this way. So I'll get a hold of you guys when we get back.
left onto Villarreal, then turn left onto Casitas Pass Road.
Yes, ma'am. We are in Carpinteria. It's a beautiful little town.
Hi there.
How you doing?
How can I help you, sir?
Yeah, I got a reservation tonight. All right, we're going to 𝐒𝐿𝐵𝐵 Park, which is the Santa Cruz is this way. 241. Okay, this one is Santa Cruz. Just give you guys a little tour. This is Santa Cruz, right on the beach behind those little. It's a little musky out, so you can't see, but the beach is right over those humps there. This is the Santa Cruz Park, and you got to be careful when you're riding around these places, guys. There's kids just running all over the place. What are you gonna do, P? Old Groucho? Let's go find San Miguel. This one was Santa Cruz Loop. And there's some more bathrooms right there, obviously. Oh, there it goes out there. See that? It's everywhere, you say. Everywhere it goes. And here's San Miguel, 241. See where it's at. Hopefully it's on the beach. Oh boy, I don't know if I might not spend an holy smokies. This is one of them parks, I guess. 241. 421. Morning, Bow. Gonna go jump in the shower real quick. Got the ship all squared away, I think. Hey, do make sure you clean up before I get back. I want the whole place cleaned up. I want the top cleaned up. I want you to sweep. And then after you sweep, I want you to kind of scrub things down a little bit on the counter, especially over there. Hey, Santiago, I'm not done talking to you yet. Okay, make some coffee. There we go. View from the window. Ocean is right there. It's a little overcast. It's kind of everything got all wet last night. It was kind of crazy. So let's do this. Wow, look at the doggy, Santiago. Right there. Wow. Oh, this place opened up. It was closed for a while, but I'm gonna have to come back here. It's called The Spot. Burgers, fries, ice cream, everything, shakes. Just cruising around. what I like about the town, it's old school. There's still all the old buildings here. There's no Walmart, none of those fancy ass stores, but there's the community library over here on the left. Doesn't change since the last time I was here, that's a while, and it's been a while since I've been here. Just cruising around downtown. Carpinteria, guys, north of Oxnard, Los Angeles, a couple hours out of Los Angeles, south of Santa Barbara. My stop I made before I'm getting up to Morro Bay, down here at the Carpinteria State Beach. Just cruising around downtown. Smart and Final over there. Cool little stores all over the place. The day use area. Okay, let's go ahead and get the beach while we can before this fog sets in. You can barely see it, but I should be out there swimming, taking my dip, but we'll see. Got to get the mentality together before I do that. So, but it's beautiful to be on the beach. I'll tell you that right now. Now, my thoughts about Carpinteria State Beach. Everything's just dirty. Maybe because it's just old, but all the campsites are dirty. The boxes are all just, beat up. The electrical boxes. My outlet, I'll show you in a little bit, is just ridiculous. I mean, the outlet is just outside. There's no cover on it. Terrible shape. All right, guys, there you go. Carpinteria, California. Didn't take long to get up there, about 4 or 5 hours from SoCal. Traffic wasn't that bad, but the ride was nice along the coast. Carpinteria was a great stay. The town is beautiful. I recommend it 100%. The park was a little outdated, but you know what? It's a state park. There's a lot of people. Kids are
Take
having
exit
fun,
203B, then merge onto California 1 North.
For the night that I spent there, but I needed to get on the road. Wanted to get to Morro Bay before the morning. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Please, guys, let me know what you think. Comment on the video. Let me know what you think about the trip. Something that you think you'd like to see more of. Whatever it is, just comment. Let me know. And again, guys, those of you who haven't already, please subscribe, like, and comment, and have a great day.